Hey, very quick demo update on Hoxel. Spent the past few days working on the user interaction control to effectively place and rotate and control how your model is placed and shaped. So I'm going to drop this guy looking back up at the camera like this. Cool. So now it's placed in there. And so you can't see because the touch isn't on, but I can use two fingers to translate it up and down about its Y and X. So you can see the green and red arrow, the internal objects Y and X, and then I can do two fingers rotate to rotate about the objects internal Y and X in scale, and I can do all three of those at the same time. So that's fun. But what I just added, which I'm really excited about because it makes kind of everything work really nicely. So you see the arrows coming out of it. I can also translate in camera space. So since I'm now looking at this straight overhead, if I swipe down, it's going to go down how the camera is looking at it. And if I adjust how the camera is looking at it and then I swipe up, it's now going to go up. And since it's a virtual or an augmented reality application, it's really easy for me to move my camera. So if I want to like translate over this way, I can just move my camera and adjust how I swipe and interact with the thing. And I can actually do it as I'm moving around. So that's neat, but I accidentally placed my model face up. Well, we can toggle into rotate mode, and now I can adjust with a gimbal around it. And same thing goes for this. I'm adjusting based on the camera's perspective. So if I want to make me come out this way, I can do that. And so taking advantage of the fact that you're holding the camera in your hand, it's really easy to adjust what axis you're rotating around because the model is rotating relative to how you're seeing it. And then I can switch again to two fingers, and now I'm rotating about the object's internal Y and translating about the object's internal Y and X. So cool new controls. We finally spent some time and got this sorted out to how we think it should be. We'll be adding some helpers in the app showing you how to do this soon, but until then, you can just reference this video.